Rigidized Metals has a great deal of experience creating engineered metal surfaces widely used in transportation facilities subjected to the wear of high traffic. Various surface engineering techniques can optimize a stainless steel, titanium, or any metal installation for the best performance and service life. Whether you are designing a metal roof, wall, ceiling, elevator cab, partition, column cover, baseboard, or handrail, Rigidized Metals has surface options available that are specifically engineered for that application. We can help the architect build a better looking facility that is easier to maintain and costs less to operate. Common airport roof challenges include complicated maintenance, glare issues, and damaging residue from jet fuel and other pollutants. Disruption costs are high, and there are security challenges with maintenance, so a permanent roof is ideal. Glare leads to serious safety concerns and could lead to accidents. Jet fuel residue destroys paint and other applied finishes to roofs, causing them to decay faster. Enviramat is a uniform hydrophobic stainless steel finish ideal for roofing applications. A permanent roof is possible, which minimizes costly air terminal service disruptions. Enviramat is low glare, reducing significant risks. The uniformity of the bare metal on the Sacramento airport, shown here, is impressive. Additionally, Enviramat has a naturally cleaning surface and is a permanent radiant barrier. Uncoated hydrophobic surface patterns clean naturally with rainwater outdoors. Indoors, they respond to little or no detergent on a moist rag in order to clean them. They are also available combined with deep textured patterns like 5WL. A variety of grades of stainless steel are available for environments as severe as Doha. At 4 million square feet, the Hamad International Airport has the largest stainless steel roof in the world, clad in Enviramat duplex alloy stainless steel. In 118-degree sun, no radiant heat was detected on this roof. At a 94% solar reflection, you can actually touch the metal roof without getting burned. In order to maintain a temperature gradient of 20 degrees Celsius inside versus outside of a building, a third of the roofing insulation is required if stainless steel is chosen instead of a black body like asphalt or a dark painted metal. While the price of insulation may not be that motivating, the reduced construction costs of providing less cavity space or the opportunity to design a building at the highest levels of efficiency, as in the case of net zero construction, can be more easily attained. The barrel roof of this terminal building shows less glare in direct sun than does the incidental reflection against the transit car in this photo. Here's another example of a stainless steel roof at the Raleigh-Durham Airport. The Detroit Airport roof is also clad in engineered stainless steel. The 96th Street Station in New York on Broadway has an Enviramat titanium roof. Please don't hesitate to contact us with your questions and ideas. We can assist you with guidance on material and pattern selection, samples, specifications, and other technical information. Rigidized Metals Corporation was founded in 1940 as Rigitex Corporation. We are the world leader in the development and production of engineered metal surfaces. Our first applications were industrial focused, but soon after serve architectural, industrial, marine, and transportation applications. Visit us at rigidized.com to see our full breadth of products and projects.